So below we're gonna have two business models that I'm working with right now, and I feel like are the most resourceful. They're gonna be around for a while, and they're gonna give you two types of incomes. So I'm gonna put the videos below that's gonna break down these programs where I have, reviews. I'll probably do an updated review, but right now I'm gonna probably put the ones I already got, and they're gonna break down these programs. But I'm gonna tell you right now. So first one, we have HBA, Home Business Academy. So this is actually this is the system where I told you it's $25 a month. They have some a upsell where it's called premium. It's gonna show you, like, it's gonna break down exactly all these social media platforms, how to, make money on these platforms, detailed. I mean, a lot of detail. And then that system, they have their own training, which is gonna show you how to fast start in affiliate marketing, but it's gonna give you a funnel builder, which I'm gonna leave all that below. So you're gonna be able to create funnels, websites. You're gonna get access to one e-commerce site, so you can put your own products and services on there, or create any type of checkout or just traditional website, and you're gonna have that as well. So that's gonna be the first business. So the reason why I got to have this business, because it's a system. So there's a lot of systems out there where you can create funnels, websites, etc. for your business. This one is the most affordable to me, $25 a month, but it's residual income. So for example, if you come in and get somebody to get started with HBA, you're gonna get 80% of that $25. I want to say, what is it, $20, something like that. But it's gonna be residual. This is $25 a month. So when you get your first sign up in HBA, you're gonna have $20 a month residual income, meaning as long as that person uses this, every month you're gonna get that $20. You see what I'm saying? So if you get 5 people, you're gonna have a little over $100 coming in every single month. So people hate auto ships, but if you can get one that you can afford and it makes sense and the product is useful, when you go do all this work and get all these members signed up and they believe in the product and they use it on their everyday, especially if you promote something that people really need, they're gonna keep it. Like, I'm gonna always have this. I'm gonna do whatever to make sure I have this, I need this. You're gonna have that money coming in. So when you're building on something that's residual, the money's gonna get bigger and it's gonna keep coming in. So imagine the more work you do, it just keeps increasing your monthly income. It just and weekly, so they pay out weekly too. So if I get a member today, I'm gonna get paid out the following Friday. And every month from that date that they got started, I'm gonna get paid as well. So you're gonna be getting paid for new referrals and you're gonna be getting paid for old referrals every month. So this is the way to really create wealth, is residual income, doing work one time and getting paid for it over and over. But this is also gonna be one of the resources you're gonna use for your business. So you're gonna have the funnel builder, the website builder, and you're gonna be able to collect contacts. So the autoresponder is gonna connect to this. So when people fill out their email, it's gonna go to the autoresponder, but you're gonna also be able to see it in the back office as well. So it's a 2-for-1. Everyone that does business, you wanna refer them to this funnel system. Financial literacy. So you're gonna earn 80% of that commission, but that product's only one time. So you got the potential to earn three different times within the same platform, or people can just stay with the $25 funnel builder that you're gonna need to run any business. Even if you have 2 businesses, you're gonna run them all through Home Business Academy. So that's gonna be the first one. And the second one is gonna be called Infinity Processing System. This is gonna be one-time payment. So, but you're gonna be able to get paid from any type of payment, Chime, Cash App, and you get paid daily with this program. This program is gonna show you other ways to market. So it's gonna show you different ways to market. They have 3 different levels. Well, they just opened a 4th level, $50, $150, $300 level, and they just introduced a $600 level. So these all come with, you're gonna see this in the videos below, but I'll just go over it. So the $50 level, and it's a $50 level with a $39 admin website fee. So they have their own, so when you start getting these businesses, they're gonna have their own sales pages. So when you have your funnel, you're gonna have where you capture the email. You're gonna have where your video like this explaining what's gonna happen. You can have some stuff on that page below. You're gonna lock people in. You're gonna pretty much have a review video or a sales video that's going to get people really locked in. Oh, I want to see what's going on. And you're going to break down everything. And then you're going to send it to the company sales page, which they're going to be able to get the product. So that's what that $39 admin website fee is. So you can get their sales page where it's going to have all the products on it, their own custom explanation of the product and a breakdown. The starter level is $50 plus the $39 admin fee. So about around almost $100. The elite level is $150 plus a $39 website fee, and the pro level is $300 plus a $39 admin fee. And then they have a $600 level that I don't have, and that's $600 plus it's a $59, so it's a little more, $59 admin fee. So for the starter level, you're gonna learn, you're gonna get pre-marketing ads, so you can use these on social media. It's gonna show you how to kind of start promoting a business out there and getting people interested. You're gonna get some mindset training, success action plans, 6-figure closing script, Facebook marketing strategies. You're gonna get introduced to Facebook groups, marketing in the Facebook groups. It's an old strategy, but you're gonna get introduced to that, Craigslist marketing, and the Facebook support. For the elite level, which is $150, you're gonna get all of that. Then you're gonna get YouTube training, Instagram training, how to create a 6-figure sales funnel, which you really don't need that. They're gonna introduce you to another platform, but we're using Home Business Academy, so they have their own training on that. So that's something you're gonna get in there. Then the $300 level, which is what I have, you get all of that I just mentioned, plus 30 email follow-ups to close your online sales, which you can put this in your autoresponder. We're gonna break that down later. You're gonna get access to the VIP training live chat, exclusive live trainings. You're gonna get a vacation voucher if you vacation, discounts on hotels and restaurants, etc. So this program is just something I'm gonna put on here as well one time. So I prefer HBA. Their premium, that pretty much does all this, but the only thing is it's $125 a month. So that's why I kind of wanted something, one time, but I do prefer Home Business Academy. So I do prefer really locking in with Home Business Academy, but it's $125 a month for the premium and $25 for the system. So it's about $150 a month. And I know a lot of people might can afford that, but if you can easily afford that, I prefer you just get system for $25 and the premium upsell for $125 with HBA, and just keep that one business, stay over there on that one business. They have a lot more advanced stuff over there. They do a lot more breakdowns and live trainings on Home Business Academy, but this is something I could bring to you guys. That's one time, it's not monthly. I know people can't afford monthlies, so that's why I brought this to you. It's cool, it's decent, it has pretty good training, especially for you guys that know nothing about affiliate marketing. It's gonna do a lot for you, but HBA is a little more advanced for me. And these might be the only two businesses I'm bringing. I'm just trying to find stuff that's quality on the internet. I have a few more ventures, but I don't think they're gonna be too valuable for new people coming in right now, but I'll be working on those. So maybe you'll see another business model on this page, and the review video is gonna be on there. So, but I'm trying to bring you guys pretty much the proven things that people are making a lot of money with. There's people with affinity processing system. There's a lot of people making a lot of money. HBA, they do a lot of money. They do a lot of money. But like I said, also the only difference is with HBA, they get paid weekly, and then you'll get paid again when those people redo their membership. Affinity processing system, you're going to be setting up payment processors where you're going to get paid daily. So if someone comes in and buys the $50 level, you're going to get paid $50 instantly. Pay $150 instantly that day. So that's why a lot of people like this. And this is one of the only instant commission programs that is proven. People are making money, not having problems, and it's working. So yeah, also, like I said, this is gonna be in the video as well, but if you're coming at the $50 level, you're only gonna be able to earn on that level. If you're coming at the $150 level, you're gonna earn on the $150 level on the 50. And if you come in at the $300 level, you're gonna earn on all 3 levels, meaning you're gonna get paid for the $50 referrals, the $150, the $300. It's kind of just setting yourself up for success, but always do what you can afford. So below, I think I'm just gonna have videos. Maybe the rest of the videos on this membership site are just gonna be breaking down these companies. Videos already have. So if this sounds like something for you, let's do it. Glad to do business with you. Hopefully you've seen this on TikTok. Hopefully we have a viral video that gets you pushed to this TikTok. You must be 18 or older. I'll probably leave this at the top of the page, 18 or older to do this. Just come in with the right state of mind. This is not get rich quick. So if you're young looking at this age, just maybe if you even 18, 19, you don't have the attention span to lock into something, I wouldn't put your money into this. I wouldn't do this because it's not get rich quick. I don't care what no one's saying. It's not get rich quick, and it takes skills. So you're gonna be learning skills that you can apply to anything, whether it's a shirt company, music, anything. You're gonna be learning marketing that you can apply to anything. But thanks for watching. And like I said, this industry can change your life and free you up. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope these programs can do some good stuff for you. And if you start making money, from anything I'm referring, send some testimonials to me and let me know you're making money online so we can get the word out there.